Welcome to the Learning Square. Year 2017 and Bitcoin price rises from around $1,000 in January to $19,000 in December, up nearly 1,800%. Year 2018 and it falls down to around $4,000 and then rises back again to $11,000 by mid-June 2019. And it has continued to be volatile till now. So, what is this Bitcoin? How does it work? Is it really valuable? What are its pros and cons? Let us see all these topics in today's video. To understand Bitcoin, you need to understand two things. 1. Bitcoin is a cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency is nothing but a digital currency, involving encryption techniques. To put it in layman's term, it is a digital or virtual currency, meaning that the currency is not physically present. You can imagine it as an online version of cash. 2. These are decentralized networks, based on blockchain technology. By decentralized, it means that there is no government authority controlling it. We will discuss about blockchain technology later in this video. Bitcoin was first invented in 2008 by Satoshi Nakamoto. Till date, it is unknown who Satoshi Nakamoto is. Some believe it is a single person, and some think it is a group of people who are using this pseudonym and wish to remain anonymous. Here are the things that you can do with a Bitcoin. 1. You can use Bitcoin as a form of payment to buy products. 2. You can use Bitcoin as an investment. 3. You can store Bitcoin and even transfer Bitcoin to other people. Every single transaction that is made is anonymously recorded in a public list called a blockchain. Blockchain technology is a structure that stores transactional records of the public in several databases. It uses a network which is connected through peer-to-peer nodes. The records are referred to as the block, and the databases are referred to as the chain. This technology is considered more secure compared to other traditional methods of transfer. There are lots of things, other than money, which we consider valuable, like gold and diamonds. In the olden days, the Aztecs used cocoa beans as money. Bitcoins are valuable because people are willing to exchange them for real goods and services, and even cash. You can use it to buy products and services, but not many shops accept Bitcoin yet, and some countries have banned it altogether. The value of Bitcoin can be measured by its growing base of users, merchants, and startups. As with all currency, Bitcoin's value comes only and directly from people willing to accept them as payment. Earlier, we saw that Bitcoin uses decentralized technology without any government involvement. So, you may wonder, how is Bitcoin created? With paper money, a government decides when to print and distribute money. Bitcoin doesn't have a central government control, so who creates Bitcoins? It is the Bitcoin miners. Bitcoin miners use special software to solve complicated math problems, and are issued a certain number of Bitcoins in exchange. This provides a smart way to issue the currency and also creates an incentive for more people to mine. If you've ever wondered whether Bitcoin mining could be profitable for you, the short answer would be no. In the early days of cryptocurrency, smaller players could mine Bitcoin successfully. However, now it's big business, and the equipment you'd need and the electricity costs alone can eat up your profits quickly. Now that we have seen what a Bitcoin is, let us see how to get Bitcoins. There are many ways one can get a Bitcoin. 1. Cryptocurrency exchanges. There are a number of exchanges in the US and abroad. Some examples of cryptocurrency exchanges include Coinbase, Robinhood, Binance, and Bitstamp. You can use these exchanges for investing in Bitcoin. 2. You can buy Bitcoins directly from other Bitcoin owners through peer-to-peer tools like Biceg, Bitcoin Local, Bitcoins.com. 3. You can earn Bitcoins through mining, but the technical expertise required, and computer cost, puts this option out of reach for most of us. 4. You can trade Bitcoins for traditional currencies of countries. 5. You can get Bitcoin from other owners of Bitcoin in exchange of your products or services. You have now got Bitcoins, but how and where do you store it? Just the way we keep cash or cards in a physical wallet, Bitcoins are also stored in a wallet, which is referred to as a digital wallet. Here are some of the best ways to save Bitcoin safely. 1. Desktop wallet. This is also referred to as cold storage. These are wallets, not connected to the internet, and hence less exposed to online security concerns. However, such methods are still vulnerable to system hacks like malware. 2. Hardware wallet. More secure than a desktop wallet is a hardware wallet. These wallets are bits of hardware, external devices like USB sticks, which you can carry around. The problem with the hardware wallet is that if you lose the hardware wallet, there is no other way of recovering your Bitcoin. 3. Paper wallet. A paper wallet is also a relatively safe way of storing Bitcoin, although it requires a bit more advanced understanding of how digital currencies work. They are simply a Bitcoin seed, written in some way on a piece of paper. A seed is like a username-password combo, used to access your funds within the wallet. 4. Physical coins. Services are coming up, which allow Bitcoin investors to buy physical Bitcoins. The coin you purchase will have a tamper-proof sticker, covering a predetermined amount of Bitcoin. Let us see the advantages of a Bitcoin. 1. Since the cryptocurrency is not physically present, it is very difficult to copy Bitcoins, make fake ones, or spend ones you don't own. 2. Since it is decentralized, there is no central authority and hence no government interference is involved. 3. Every single transaction is recorded, anonymously, in a public list, called a blockchain, and hence is considered extremely private and secure. 4. After the financial crisis and the Great Recession, some investors are eager to embrace an alternative, and the Bitcoin's ability to avoid traditional banks or government intermediaries offer a potential for big growth. Now, coming to its drawbacks. 1. Many claim that since the transactions are recorded anonymously, there is a high chance for its use in illegal activities. 2. Hacking concerns, though it is believed that the blockchain technology behind Bitcoin is even more secure than traditional electronic money transfers, Bitcoin hot wallets have been an attractive target for hackers. There have been reports of quite a number of high-profile hacks. 3. Volatility. Bitcoin has experienced sharp price fluctuations, a situation that undermines its ability to function as a currency. We can classify countries into 3 categories. 1. Countries where Bitcoin is banned. As per the data released on March 2019, here are some countries which have officially banned Bitcoin use. These include Afghanistan, Pakistan, Algeria, Bolivia, Bangladesh, Saudi Arabia, Qatar, Vanuatu, and Vietnam. 2. Countries where Bitcoin is restricted. These countries have put some restrictions on Bitcoin. These include China, India, Ecuador, Indonesia, Morocco, Zambia, Nepal, and Egypt. 3. Countries which are Bitcoin friendly. These countries hold a crypto-friendly attitude. United States, Canada, Japan, Germany, United Kingdom, Switzerland, Netherlands, Georgia, and Singapore come under this category. That's it for today. Hope you were able to get some details on Bitcoin. If you found this video useful, please do like and share this with your friends and relatives. Please do leave your feedback in the comments section below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get notified when we publish more such learning videos. Until next time, goodbye, and thank you so much for watching.